Hey guys, today we're going to be reading a book called Zonias Rain Forest. Zonias Rain Forest. Okay, this is by Catalan honor winner and Joanna Martinez Neal. And this is the cover of it. Zonias Rain Forest. It has a picture right here. Zona lives with those she loves in the rainforest, where it is always green, full of life. Every morning, the rainforest calls to Zona. She's hiding in the bush. Every morning, Zona answers. Looks like she's playing at something. In Zona's rainforest, in Zona's rainforest, green and full of life, she visits old friends and meets new ones. Good morning, she says. She says 1, 2, 3, 4 times. She stops to talk with some chatty new neighbors. Welcome, I live next door, Zona sings. She says hello to her most playful friend. You are my favorite, Zona whispers. If she is lucky, her fastest friend will invite her for a short ride through the thicket. We are mighty, Zona says, for that is she feels in her heart. Zona sees colorful couples swim by. How's the water today? She asks with a smile. Sorry about this. She congrats mammals with her new babies. I can't wait for you to meet my baby brother. I love him so much. Zona loves playing hide and seek. 5, 6, 7, 8. She counts. Some friends help Zona see the world in new ways. And Zona knows just who to visit when she wants to be quiet and still. After visiting all of her friends, Zona is ready to go home. She can't wait to see her mama and baby brother again. On her way home, Zona comes across something she has never seen before. Frightened, she runs the rest of the way home. Mama, look, Zona says, and Mama, look, Zona says and opens her hands. The forest needs help. It is speaking to you, says Zona's mama. Then I will answer, says Zona, as I always do. We all must answer.